Hello, in front of me I've got XIAOMI Mi 10 Pro. In this video I'll show you how to add different types of cards to Google Pay. In the beginning, let's enter Google Pay app, tap on Add a card, and focus on loyalty, gift card and public transport. Enter loyalty, and select the card you want to add, for example Payback Poland. You can scan your card or enter details manually. Now, let's select gift card, which is pretty similar to loyalty card because you have to select a shop, and enter your details like card number, PIN, balance and notes. Then you have to tap Save. Now let's select public transport. If you are able to find your public transport selected, you'll be redirected to a website where you have to finish the inside form. All of your cards will appear right here. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.